morning. My name's Kari. It's good to talk to you about CAMS. Now, what I've done here is I've collected some data. I've had a large language model do 5 passes at the US data, scoring each of 8 nodes on 4 metrics: coherence, capacity, stress, and abstraction. Now, and then the AI have averaged the 5 runs, and they've created another file which contains information about standard deviations, the spread, the envelope of the readings, which establishes that the signal to noise ratio is reasonable, typically about 20 to 1, and that the results have statistical significance. Now, in this case, the rating AI has not calculated any of the derivatives like node value and bond strength. I've left that to GPT because we separate those processes because we don't want the AI to be tipped off about what the implications of its readings are for the aggregate for the model, and a tendency to, manipulate the data to make. So it's saying there that the first pass already shows a hard result. That 2026 is the worst year in the series. So you saw, I'm going to provide a link to this session so you can look back and see the data, and you can cut and paste the data and put in another LM with a similar prompt, see what happens. So GPT's spending some time, obviously. Originally, I was using single passes on Gemini, single passes on GPT. Then I moved up to using an agentic model with 5 agents doing individual passes, and then constructing an aggregate using Claude. And when I did that, I would get this sort of result, the result I'm about to show you. But I can say that when you look across all the measurements I've taken, they all tell the same story. Now, okay, here comes the data. So it shows it resolves as a United States that's extremely strong and powerful, but to an extent dissociated. It no longer knows what it's doing. Now, in the CAMS model, this is because the mythic layers of the society, its libraries and temples, are no longer synced with its newspapers and marketplaces. So, the metabolic and the mythic layers of the society no longer coupled. And in the model, this is why societies fail.